Now let's take a look at what you stand to gain when you join Happy World Millgate. We have 5 stages or levels to climb in this business. Every stage comes with its own unique reward. The first stage is Food Farm Stage 0. Here you can only feed yourself. At this stage 0, all the work you need to do is to personally refer 6 persons, as you can see on the screen right now. But in terms of placement structure, you will have it in binary form. 3 persons on your left and 3 persons on your right. So let's assume you registered Mr. A first and drop him at your left hand side. Your second registration, say Ms. B, will come here at the right hand side, as you can see right now. The same goes with other 4 persons you will register, say C, D, E and F. 3 persons on your left hand side and 3 persons on your right hand side. C and D are already spillovers for Mr. A, and E and F are spillovers of Ms. B. But before you enjoy spillover in Happy World Millgate, what you need to do is to personally refer your own 6 persons in this business. That is the duty of everyone that joins Happy World Millgate family. After that, if you like, you can refer more people. If you don't like, then your downlines will refer the rest. So when you complete your level 0 by referring 6 persons, the total amount you will make is 10,880 naira, and you will graduate to stage 1 immediately. If you start this business with 7 accounts, you will jump from level 0 and start from level 1 immediately. This means you will earn the 10,880 naira bonus immediately after registration. Note, all payments at this Food Farm Stage 0 are in food items. 10,880 worth of food product will be given to you, and you are at liberty to choose whatever thing you want. You can choose from the list of Happy World products. We have Caprice, we have Semolina, we have King's vegetable oil, we have Tin Tomato, we have Nestle Golden Mon, we have Peak Milk, we have Nestle Milo, we have Dangote Sugar, we have Spaghetti, we have Knorr Cubes, we have Ijebu Gari, we have Dangote Noodles. So anything you want is what you choose. Good news, every week Saturday and 20th of every month is a collection day for Happy World Millgate. It happens in our corporate office in Lagos and other offices of Happy World Millgate in different cities in Nigeria. If you are not in Lagos, don't worry, our leaders in different states and cities will help you to collect the products. Just little weighbill charge may be applied. Remember, I told you that once you complete your 6 referrals, you will enter the second stage, which is the Green Garden Stage 1. Once you complete your level 0 by referring 6 persons, you will step out, and your duty at this stage is to encourage and help your downlines to complete their own stage 0 fast enough so that they can join you at stage 1. Now, these are the people in your stage 0. As you have completed your 6 referrals, you will step out of the group and stand alone at stage 1. You will then wait for your downlines to complete their own 6 referrals and join you at stage 1. Now, amongst the 3 persons at your left hand side and their downlines and the downlines of your upline, anyone that completes his or her own 6 persons first will join you at the left hand side at the stage 1 immediately. So you see how fast that can be, because many people are involved in the process, not only your efforts. You have to also know that overtaking is very much allowed in this business. So let's assume Mr. D completes his own 6 persons before Mr. A. Then it means D will first join you at your level 1, so that if A finally completes his, A will now come under D at level 1, as you can see. So anyone that completes his own 6 on your left will join you at level 1 at first come first serve basis. The same thing happens at your right side. Amongst B, E, F and their downlines and other downlines of your upline at the right hand side, anyone that completes his or her level 0 by referring 6 persons will join you on your right hand side at level 1. As soon as you have 7 persons at your left side level 1 and 7 persons at right side of level 1, as you can see now, then you automatically graduate to level 2. It is possible that out of 7 persons in your left hand side, 4 will come from your upline as spillover. You can imagine that. When you complete your level 1, the total amount you will make is 76,000 naira. At this stage, you can feed your family. Let me shock you a bit. Do you know that if 14 persons enters your team with 7 accounts each, 7 at your left and 7 at your right, you will automatically be in level 2 immediately, and you will earn the bonus straight away. All payments at completing stage 1 are all in food items. 76,000 worth of food items you will be able to collect, and you are at liberty to collect whatever thing you want from the list of Happy World products. Please note that you don't need to wait until the whole level is completed before you earn. The business is earned as you go. When one person joins you at any stage, you get paid for that person, and the money will be accruing in your e-wallet, which you will use at any time to shop from the list of Happy World products. The third stage in this business is stage 2. It is called the Golden Garden Stage 2. Once you complete your level 1 cycle, you will enter level 2. Your duty at this stage as a leader is to encourage and help your downlines, both direct and indirect, to complete their own stage 1 and join you at stage 2. At first come first serve basis, as you can see now. Also, spillover can come from your upline to make up for stage 2. When you have 7 persons each that completes level 1 and joins you at level 2 at left and right hand side, you will automatically graduate to level 3 immediately. When you complete your stage 2, your total earning at stage 2 is 184,000, and at this stage you will start earning cash. You will get 60% of cash and 40% of food products. So the cash you'll be getting at stage 2 is 110,000 naira, and then food product is 74,000 naira. Also, at this stage, you will qualify for 30,000 worth of food products every month for 7 months. You can imagine that. This means that every month, whatever thing you earn, 30,000 worth of food products will be added to it, and that's what will be given to you at that month. And it will run for 7 good months in this business. So at this point, you can feed your family and even an extended family. The first stage in this business is stage 3, Great Garden Stage 3. Honestly, this is what everyone in the business is pursuing to hit. Actually, some people want to hit it within 3 months, some people want to hit it within 2 months, to within 5 months, and all that. Once you have completed your stage 2 cycle, you will enter stage 3 immediately. Your duty at this stage as a leader is to encourage and help your downlines, both direct and indirect, to complete their stage 2 and then join you at stage 3. Once that happens, as you can see on the screen right now, you are going to make total earning of 840,000 naira. At this stage, you will get 60% cash and 40% food product also. So the cash you'll be making at stage 3 is 504,000 naira, and the food product you'll be collecting, it will be worth 336,600 naira. At this level, you will have the opportunity to travel to Dubai or Jerusalem for Christian pilgrims or Mecca for the Muslims with $5,000 travel allowance. Once you come back from that trip, you'll be given a brand new Hyundai car worth 4 million naira. I tell you, if you don't want to pick the car, you are at liberty to collect the 4 million naira cash from Happy World Newgate. Honestly, this is amazing. What are you waiting for? You need to join this business today. That is not all. When you complete your stage 4 in this business, the total amount you'll be making is 1,448,000 naira. And at that level, you still get 60% of cash and 40% of food product. Cash is 868,000 naira, and food product to be collecting is 579,600 naira. Honestly, at this point, you'll be needing a trailer to carry your food product from Happy World Newgate. At level 4, you will also qualify for 50,000 worth of food products every month for 1 whole year. I mean for 12 months, which means anything you earn, 50,000 worth of food products will be added to it for that month, and that's what you are going to collect. I hope you understand what I mean. At level 4 also, you will get a brand new Hyundai Jeep, or you collect 6 million naira car award. Wow, did you hear that? I mean 6 million naira Jeep award. That's what we're talking about, and that is why Happy World Newgate is the best business you can ever do at a time like this. When you complete your final stage 5, then you can feed your entire community. Let me tell you why I made that statement. You will earn a total of 16 million naira, and you will have the opportunity to share from the profit of the company every year. This is indeed beautiful. I am so excited about this opportunity. All you need to do is to draw your plan, give yourself a target, make sure you climb to your next stage every month. Tell yourself that you want to hit stage 3 in 3 months. You can do it. It is possible. People are already doing it as I speak with you. Just get the right people and set your business in great motion. Immediately you join this business, you will have to do what I call 6 in 7 days challenge. This means that once you join Happy World Newgate, try everything possible to bring in your 6 persons within your first 7 days. That's 1 week in this business. They say slow and steady wins the race, but in our business, it is fast and consistent person that wins the most. Imagine where you bring in 6 persons in this business within 7 days, and you teach your downlines how to bring their own 6 persons within their first 7 days, and they teach their own downlines, and the thing happen down the line in your business. Honestly, your business will be amazing. If this thing happens in your business, I tell you, within 2 to 3 months, many people in your team will be qualifying for the car award, and that exactly is what will happen in your business. So when someone asks you what is the formula to succeed in Happy World Millgate, tell him or her to apply 6 in 7 days challenge. Now this is the way it works. After you have registered with 6,400 naira for one account, or 19,200 naira for 3 accounts, or 44,800 naira for 7 accounts, you will need to invest additional 2,500 naira on this 25 minutes video too. Make it a point of duty to give out 5 videos to 5 different persons every day to listen to the business presentation. If you expose this video presentation to 5 different people for 7 days, I tell you, you must have exposed it to 35 persons in 7 days. Do you hear that? I said if you expose this video to 5 persons every day, after 7 days, you must have exposed it to 35 persons, which means you can tell 35 persons about those opportunities without talking too much. Out of the 35 persons you will show this opportunity, there is no way 6 to 10 persons will not want to join you in this business. So you see, our business is automated. It is plug and play. Everyone can do it. Once you apply the formula and you teach your downlines how to do it, I bet you will have big results in your business. Happy World Millgate Corporate Office is located at number 81 Adeni Jones, Ikeja, Lagos. You can go there and find out for yourself what's happening. You will see a lot of people participating in this business. Happy World Millgate prospective offices are in Abuja, Onitsha, Port Harcourt, Ibadan, and other cities in Nigeria. So I advise you to sign up immediately and be a pioneer in your area. You can pay into the company's account, but this is not advisable for those who are outside Lagos, because the company will be needing your teller, and I wonder how you'll be wibbling your teller to Lagos. So if you are not in Lagos and you want to join this business, get back to the person that gave you this video. He or she is in the best position to guide you on how to get started. He or she will also help you to register and get your welcome pack as soon as possible. Remember, you can make a difference in people's life with Happy World Millgate. You already know that 6,400 naira cannot buy anything in the market today. So why not invest it in something that will keep feeding your family all the months ahead of your life? Join hands with us and let us send extreme poverty and hunger out of Nigeria through Happy World Millgate. Honestly, time waits for no man. So this is the time to rise up and make a difference in people's lives. Thank you very much for listening. I am Chris Ugwemba.